The Incredibox loop clock. That's this part right up here, and it tells us where we are in the cycle of the loop. Different performers only perform in certain part of this cycle, and when we do our composition today, we're going to want to bring in different performers at different parts of the cycle. We want to bring them in an orderly fashion that meets with the beats of the loop. So, there are a total of 16 beats in this loop. And you can help get your bearings on this loop by thinking of it like an analog clock. That's the kind of clock with the numbers in a circle and the two hands that point to different numbers to tell you the time. It's a little different than this kind of clock that you're used to that just tells you the numbers. On a clock like that, we've got 12 o'clock right up here. And then down here, we've got 3 o'clock. Opposite 12, we've got 6. And opposite 3, we've got 9. There are 4 beats in between each of these dots. And when we make our composition today, we're going to bring in performers at different points along the clock. In a minute, I'm going to turn on the performers here, the beatboxers, just so we can hear the beat and watch the clock and get our bearings. You're going to notice that this guy right here, he is going to say on beat 2. Something like that. He says a little more musically than I just did. Okay, so he's going to do that on beat 2. That'll help you get your bearings if you're a little bit lost. And the other guy, he's going to kind of accent beats 2 and 4 in this direction with his mouth. Our left, his right. All right, let's try this out for size. Turn the clock on. We're coming up to 9, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So remember, when I'm giving directions, I'm going to refer to this as 12, 3, 6, and 9. And you will hear that there's a strong beat, a beat 1, downbeat, at each of those dots. Let me show you once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Feel those pulses as you bring in your Incredibox beatboxers.